everybody. I'm still in Tokyo. I don't know why I say that every time. Like, it's very unlikely that I, say that I'm going to be here a month, and then the next episode happens after having been in Tokyo. The next episode happens like an hour later, and I say I'm still in Tokyo. Like, it's very hard for me to not still be in Tokyo after that. But we're still in Tokyo. We're in Akihabara now. And my first order of business is I want to go to the Don Quixote. Let's figure out where it is. It should be 5 minutes from here. If I go up to where the Gigo is and go right, that should be it. I want to do a little bit of classic game shopping, if I can. I'd also like to eat something that's like lunch or dinner. It's pretty late for lunch, but what do I care what time it is? And our objective at Don Quixote is to find a wallet that can hold coins, cards, and bills. Currently, right now, the issue with my wallet is it is an American wallet, which is insufficient for 2 reasons. Number one, it only holds cards and bills. Number 2, Japanese money is taller than, similar to European money, Japanese money is taller than dollars, American dollars. So that means that the money sticks out of the top of the wallet, which, it's not really a big problem in Tokyo of like getting mugged compared to other places, but it's just kind of annoying. So I want to get a new wallet that has proper size and a place to put your coins. And I thought Don Quixote was supposed to be around here somewhere. Let's take a look. Okay, it's still further up. Usually you can see it from like a mile away though. It's kind of suspicious. Oh, I see it. It's very small. It's on like the 5th floor. We're actually pretty close to that really good fried chicken place, but it's only takeout. Oh, no, it's not actually. We could eat there. Yeah, because last time I got it and took it to a net cafe to eat. But it's too windy and cold right now. Like, you can't really eat outside. I could try it. They have a little covered area. It's not inside, but it's covered from the wind with those, like, sheets. So we could try that. First, we try and get a wallet. And I don't really want to spend a lot of money buying a new wallet, like a nice new wallet, because, I'm only going to use it while I'm here. So that's, another month, a little less than a month, this trip, and then whenever else I'm here. But like, it's not like I need like a nice new wallet for my own personal everyday use. It looks like a Don Quixote that's only one floor. Is that possible? If so, I've never seen one that's so small. Oh, no. They have 1, 2, 3, 4 floors, starting on F2F. Let's take a look at the map too. I don't really know what. It looks like it's mostly food stuff on the floor we're on, if that's what they're telling us about. Oh, thank you to KNH12 for the follow. We're in Tokyo. Oh, here we go. Oh, I also wanted to. Okay, we might be able to get a smartphone thing as well. Character goods. Rain goods. Oh, men's. Okay. I think it's going to be the 3rd floor. Maybe.
Someone once told me that in order to heal,
they got figures and stuff here, huh? I wonder if they have any Concorde. I saw a Concorde model at one of the stores, but it was just the ship on which the girl is based. But it has a picture of a girl on the box. But like, that's not really. It's like you can get those kind of model kits already, you know, of just a World War II battleship. Like, that's pretty easy to get. Oh yeah, this is definitely gonna be the area. Well, not this, but. Like the pants and belts. It's gotta be near here. Or not. Over here? I would ask somebody, but I haven't seen anyone. Okay, socks area, maybe? Maybe not. Okay. Let's see if we can find somebody. No, we made a circle here. Alright, so then I'm gonna go down to the first floor. Because that's where the registers are. Ah, すいません。財布はどこで
財布3階です。で、
3階。
カメラってオフですかね。
あ、オフ？あ、すいません。すいません。Well, I've been asked, and I'm not gonna cause a ruckus, so I will close out the show. If I can get a signal, that is. Okay. Thanks for joining, though. And possibly after Don Quixote, we'll be doing more, or who knows. Bye-bye. See you next time.